You tell yourself, I'm bad at physics. You've said it before, maybe quietly, maybe out loud. And every time you say it, you make the problem harder. That is not honesty. That's misdiagnosis. I'm the physics sensei, PhD in physics, black belt in karate, and 30 years teaching college students just like you. Here's what's actually happening. You're turning a skill problem into an identity problem. Physics performance comes from actions: how you start problems, how you practice, how you correct mistakes. But when you label yourself, you stop looking at actions. Metaphysics sounds like a trait, something fixed, something permanent. But physics, it's an identity, it's a trainable skill. No one is born knowing how to model forces, interpret motion, or choose equations. Those are learned behaviors. This label creates a hidden problem. When something goes wrong, you don't ask, what did I do wrong? You think, this just isn't for me. So nothing gets corrected. That's why effort doesn't translate into results. You study more, you try harder, but you never fix the specific action that failed. The identity label blocks diagnosis. Strong students don't talk about who they are. They talk about what they did. They say, I rushed the setup. I guessed instead of reasoning. I didn't check the situation. Those are fixable things. The moment you stop saying, I'm bad at physics, and start saying, this action didn't work, everything changes. Now you have leverage. You don't need confidence, you need accuracy. Identify the action, correct the action, repeat. That's how performance grows. If physics feels personal right now, it's because you made it personal. Take identity out of it, put training back in. So here's how you train this. First, take it easy. The next time you miss a physics problem, write this sentence: I missed this because I didn't, and fill in one specific thing. For example, I didn't draw the diagram. Now, this next level, pick one wrong problem from homework or from a quiz. Circle the first step you got wrong. Ignore the rest of the solution, just the action you fix. Then the challenging part. For your next 5 study sessions, do this rule. You're not allowed to say, I'm bad at physics. Every time you feel stuck, you might say, the step I need to fix is, and say it out loud. That is how identity turns into training. Train the basics, build your foundation, and let consistency become your advantage. And if you need more help, the dojo is ready when you are. I'll see you inside.